I'm Daniel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a ordinary spoon into a trade point or a broadhead. These trade points are great for people that want a more primitive style point, but are not fully committed to a stone point such as this obsidian one I have on this arrow right here. With a total of 60 cents for 3 spoons, that puts us at 20 cents a piece per spoon. And these are the thicker ones, which you wanted. Okay, the first step is to flatten your spoon. Now that we have our spoon flattened, we're going to go ahead and draw the shape of the point on. I'm going to use a little file here for a straight edge. And mark about the bottom of the point and get a nice line going across. Okay, that is going to be the basic shape. Okay, we have a groove more in. You just start at one of the corners that we drew on, and you just keep working until you have a groove just like this one. And what I'm going to do now, the groove is pretty deep. I'm going to start sawing on both ends until it starts coming through. As you can tell, it started to go through here. While I was off camera, when I was sawing it, it snapped the rest of the way off before I could film it. But either way, it still shows. You saw it until you're about all the way through. And then if you snap it off like it did right there, you're gonna have a little lip here that you're gonna want to file down. We now have both sides off. What we're going to want to do now is to start following the edges. Now, you can make it any angle you want, any style of sharpening you want. I'm just going to use the same file as before. Okay, this is an optional step. You don't have to, but if you want, after you file all 4 edges like I just did, you can use a whetstone to sharpen it, but you don't need to. You can get it plenty sharp enough with the file. I'm not going to use the whetstone. So the last thing for me to do right now is to decide about where I want to. We got that sawed almost all the way through, and the last thing to do is to just bend it, and now you have a completed trade point for about 20 cents. Got 3 spoons for 60 cents, and so far we've made 2 nice trade points. Okay, we have 2 nice trade points now, and in the next coming month, I'm going to be giving away these 2 to a subscriber. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you see when I post next. Hope you guys liked the video. See you in the next one.